Your mom's fantastic. That's that next to her last night. Great concert.
Ruchim Habaim B'Shem Adonai. Blessed are you who have come here in the name of God. Bob and Debbie, what a great pleasure it is to welcome you to your chuppah, to welcome your guests who are here to celebrate with you, to welcome you to this beautiful day of your coming together. How nice that we heard the words of Dodi Li, I am my beloved and my beloved is mine. The song is Bashoshanim. We are in the midst of the Shoshanim. So you walked up amongst the Shoshanim. There are several different translations, sometimes lilies, but it's also sometimes translated as roses. So you were Bashoshanim, amongst the roses, as you walked down to meet us here in the chuppah. Yidu et Adonai b'simcha, bo lefanav bir lana, serve Adonai with joy, come into God's presence with song. Mi adir al hakol, mi baruch al hakol, mi gadol al hakol, hu yivarech hatan b'chala. God, we ask you to bless this bride and groom as they stand here in their chuppah. May your home, as represented by this chuppah, always be a shelter against the storm, a haven of peace, a stronghold of faith and love. If you'd like to join me in the blessing of gratitude, thanking God for bringing us to this day. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, she'echianu v'hiyanu, v'hiyanu la'azman hazeh. The Jewish wedding ceremony used to be two different parts, so we'll have two different glasses of wine. We'll drink the first one now with the blessing of Erushim, in which we thank God for allowing the right couple to find each other out there in the wilderness of people. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, borei peri hagafen. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kisanu b'mitzvotav v'tizkir lanu et hanisuim v'nisuot lanu al yedei kufa v'kiddushin. Baruch atah Adonai mekadesh amo Yisrael al yedei kufa v'kiddushin. When they drink this time, they do so as individuals. When they share the wine at the next cup, they will do so as a marriage. You both have experiences behind you that include some love, some heartache, some great times, and some challenges. And with that background, you come to this chuppah, ready to tell a new story, with all of the hope, optimism, and openness that entails. You come here to commit your love to one another, to weave your two lives into one. I've had the pleasure of knowing you both for several years now. I've personally seen the kindness and the goodness that you share. I've seen you both heal. I've watched your families come together and shared your ever-deepening Jewish life. It is truly my honor to stand here with you today under this chuppah. Bob, Debbie is amazed at how brilliant you are and how your minds never stop. You are generous and kind-hearted. You have tremendous integrity and are always willing to do the right thing, even when it's difficult. She loves your sense of humor and the way you're so kind to animals. She appreciates how gentle you are with issues that are sensitive to her. She loves how you take care of yourself and take care of her. She is extremely excited to be marrying you today. Debbie? You don't have to Debbie, Bob feels absolutely privileged to be with you. You share similar interests and values, and he can share his life with you. He appreciates how you are kind, helpful, brave, sensible, and so good to your family. He is proud to introduce you to his friends. He loves how cheerful, friendly, encouraging, positive, and useful you are. He is grateful for your deep interest in Judaism and for how much you love to learn. You're fun to be with, whether traveling, going to parties, watching sports, dance, or theater, or simply sharing time with friends and family. He's fully trusted. He is happy that you will both continue to look after each other, and we look forward to every moment of this day. Bob and Debbie, I hope that future is a long, happy, healthy one. May it be filled with blessing and delight, healing and hope, joy and laughter. May there be sacred time for the two of you, and also, like today, great times with family and friends, and all those who love. I'd like to invite up Emily Kay to recite the 7 blessings, the Sheva Brachot, the traditional blessings that are recited at a Jewish wedding. One of those blessings is the second glass of wine. I like to give is that as many pieces as that glass breaks into, so may your happiness be multiplied that manifold. Bob, I'll invite you to, and your job is to shout out Mazel Tov as soon as you hear it break.
Everybody knows the way.
I'm good.
Do it again? We had so much fun the first time.